Welcome to the Amkette XS Series Flow Wireless Mouse Help video. In this video, we'll guide you through what's included in the box, the key features of your mouse, how to connect it to your devices, and tips to get the most out of it. Let's get started. First, let's see what comes in the package. You'll find the XS Series Flow Wireless Mouse, a USB receiver for 2.4 GHz connectivity, a USB Type-C charging cable, a quick start guide to help you get going, and a warranty card. Now let's take a closer look at the mouse itself. It's designed with ergonomics in mind, providing a comfortable grip for long hours of work or play. It features a dual scroll wheel, allowing both horizontal and vertical scrolling with smooth metallic precision. Use the DPI button to pick the sensitivity that suits your task, and the easy switch button to jump effortlessly between your connected devices. The mode indicators show you at a glance which connection is active. You also get forward and backward buttons for faster browsing, a Show Desktop button for instant access to your desktop. Inside, the mouse houses a 600 mAh rechargeable battery with an on-off switch to save power, and a Type-C input for fast and convenient charging. Getting started is simple. For USB 2.4 GHz connectivity, just plug in the USB receiver into your device, turn on the mouse using the on-off switch at the bottom of the mouse, and ensure the mouse is set to 2.4G mode. You're ready to use it immediately. For Bluetooth connection, press and hold the mode switch button until the indicator blinks rapidly. This means the mouse is in pairing mode. Search for the device name on your computer, tablet, or smartphone, for example, XS Flow 1. Once paired, you can repeat the process to connect up to 2 more devices. Switching between connected devices is just a single press of the mode switch button, making multi-device use seamless. You can also switch between operating system modes, Windows and Mac, by pressing and holding the Show Desktop button for 3 seconds. Your XS Flow mouse is packed with features to enhance your workflow. It uses silent kill switches, so every click is whisper quiet. The 3200 DPI sensor provides precise control for both productivity and light gaming, allowing you to switch between 400, 800, 1600, 2400, and 3200. Durable UPE feet allow smooth gliding across any surface with minimal friction. And the ergonomic design ensures comfort for extended use, reducing hand fatigue even during long sessions. That's it! You now know everything you need to start using your XS Flow wireless mouse. Thanks for choosing Amkette. Happy clicking!